Hi guys, today I'm going to show you another coolest project that I got from my agency partner Albert, who is the owner of the iCreate.it in Netherlands. So he just sent to me a project from Figma to WordPress Divi theme. So I'm going to show you in my screen that how many pages I have done for him with Divi and how it looks like. So let's jump into the screen. Okay, so here you can see uh, 1 2 3 4 5 some more pages that he sent to me, and let's open a page that how exactly we work. We convert Figma to WordPress. So we personally prefer Elementor and Divi because this page builders has lots of features and it has lots of flexibility, so we can do any types of design. Here you can see the homepage design, which is very simple and clean professional design, you see, and we have done here, and this is built by Divi Visual Builder, you see here. And look at this is very clean. And if I go into my phone to check this, the mobile browser, Alessandra.it. Okay, see, this is 100% responsive on mobile, which we always care about the mobile responsive. See, and the interesting part is here, you see here, the client didn't give us the mobile design, but we did by ourselves according to our experience. We maximum time we do this mobile design by ourselves because our clients don't send to us every time. So yeah, that's all thing in this video. We will see and we will record another video to show you that how we are working for our clients projects. Thank you so much. Bye.